What if I told you the future of health isn't just about diets or exercise? It's about hacking your body and mind in ways you never imagined. We're entering a new era of wellness, where technology and science are unlocking secrets to help you feel better, look better, and live longer. And the best part? These breakthroughs are happening right now. Welcome to the future of health. Over the past few years, we've seen a massive shift in how we approach wellness. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional methods. Today, science, technology, and even ancient wisdom are converging to bring us a new, more personalized path to health. You don't have to follow a one-size-fits-all routine anymore. The future is all about customizing your health journey based on your body's needs. Imagine this: you wake up in the morning and your smartwatch has already told you everything you need to know about your sleep, your stress levels, and your energy. You're not guessing anymore. Your body has become an open book, and technology is reading it for you. From continuous glucose monitoring to DNA testing, we now have the ability to see exactly what's happening inside us, giving us the power to make more informed decisions about our health. By using wearables and apps, we're entering a world where our diets, workouts, and habits can be tailored specifically to our genetic makeup and lifestyle. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, and it's changing the way we think about health forever. Now, let's talk about AI. Imagine having a personal health assistant who is always by your side, analyzing every piece of data about your body in real time and offering solutions in seconds. From predicting health risks to suggesting customized fitness plans, AI is revolutionizing how we manage our health. AI-powered tools can analyze medical data faster and more accurately than any doctor. They can predict diseases based on patterns we can't see, and even recommend preventative measures before symptoms even appear. It's like having a virtual health expert in your pocket. But what if the future of health goes even deeper? What if we could change our genetics to eliminate diseases before they even begin? Welcome to the world of CRISPR, a groundbreaking technology that allows scientists to edit genes. While this technology is still in its infancy, it's already showing promise in treating genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia and even some forms of cancer. Imagine a world where we can edit our genetic code to prevent inherited diseases or even slow down aging. It may sound like science fiction, but researchers are making incredible strides, and the day may come when we can not only treat diseases, but eliminate them altogether. While technology is transforming our physical health, there's another revolution happening in the world of mental wellness. The future of health is no longer just about the body, it's about the mind and body working together in perfect harmony. We've already seen the rise of mindfulness apps, meditation trackers, and virtual therapy, all designed to help us manage stress, improve mental clarity, and find emotional balance. The next step in this journey? Integrating mental health practices directly into our daily lives, using biofeedback and neurotechnology. Brainwave sensors and neurostimulation devices are already being used to enhance cognitive function, reduce anxiety, and even improve sleep quality. It's a whole new frontier in wellness, where your mind and body are synced up like never before. And then, there's food. We're entering a time when nutrition is becoming more personalized than ever. No longer do we have to guess about what our bodies need. We can now get a full nutritional breakdown of what we consume and even tailor our diets to our DNA. The future of food isn't just about eating healthy, it's about eating for your body's specific needs. Imagine being able to create a meal plan designed just for you, based on your unique genetics, activity level, and personal health goals. This is the future we're heading toward, and it's closer than you think. Let's talk fitness. In the past, we'd go to a gym, follow a general workout plan, and hope for the best. But the future is changing this as well. Virtual trainers, AI-generated workouts, and fitness apps are taking fitness to the next level. You no longer need a personal trainer to get a customized workout plan. Your AI-powered fitness assistant will analyze your body and create the perfect routine. Whether it's for weight loss, muscle gain, or just improving your overall health, the best part? These AI trainers can adapt in real time based on your progress and feedback, ensuring that your workout is always challenging you in the best way possible. Now, as exciting as this all sounds, we must also ask, how will we adapt to this new reality? With all these advancements, the question becomes not whether we can change our health, but whether we will. It's clear our future health will be shaped by technology, data, and our ability to harness these innovations for a healthier, longer life. From personalized wellness plans to the genetic editing of our DNA, the future of health is more exciting than ever. But it's not just about waiting for technology to do the work. It's about embracing it and using it to live better, smarter, and healthier lives. So, are you ready to step into the future of health? The possibilities are endless, and it's all happening now. If you found this video inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of the future of health excites you the most?